Hi, I'm Dr. Rhodes with Noah's Ark Animal Clinic, and today we're going to talk about some common household poisons and what you can do if you suspect your pet got into anything toxic. Some of the more common household items that can be poisonous to pets are well-known things like rat poisons, insecticides, antifreeze, and household cleaners. There are a lot of other things to consider as well that can be just lying around the house that pets can get into. Things like batteries, foods such as onions or grapes, old pennies made with zinc, and even some over-the-counter human medications like NSAIDs and decongestants can be really toxic for pets. We also have to consider some of the household plants that can be around. So some plants just cause some GI or gastrointestinal upset, like poinsettias, buckeyes, or hydrangeas. But then there are other household plants like lilies, azalea, and mistletoe that can be very toxic and definitely need immediate intervention. There can be obvious signs of poisoning like vomiting, seizures, or behavior changes like hyperexcitability or severe depression or lethargy. But a lot of times all the signs are happening internally, so we can't see them happening. That's why it's so important if you are suspecting that your pet got into anything toxic that you give us a call right away, because time is often of the essence. You are always welcome to give us a call right away to see if it's a toxin that we are familiar with and know how to help your pet with right away. However, there are so many poisons in the world, we can't possibly know every single one. So you may be directed to call the Pet Poison Control Line. They will be able to help determine if what your pet may have ingested is poisonous, and if so, how best we can help them. Depending on what the toxin is, we may need to make your pet vomit, but that can be a dangerous thing to do, so we don't always want to do that. Sometimes there can be activated charcoal that we give to help bind toxins, and then sometimes there are antidotes or specific medications that can help counteract the effects of the toxin. But a lot of times it's just supportive therapy. So giving IV fluids to help with dehydration or cardiovascular support, internal organ support, monitoring vital signs, a lot of times that's all we can do to help them get through whatever they've ingested. Thanks for listening to this Medical Minute and for keeping your pets safe at home from household poisons.